Now the last 2-3 things, like the duties of the employer, these are the very, like if you see, they are, we'll list them one by one. What is required of an organization? One is to have a policy in place, formulate a policy on sexual harassment. Like on sexual harassment, this is what our organization says, zero tolerance and all. It should be clearly stipulated, and after formulating, you should disseminate across the location, at all locations, covering all employee, temporary, permanent. That means every employee should get a copy of the policy. The sad part is, as on date, how many companies must be following this? Even if they start some process, you know, if suppose an organization has 1100 employees, 1300 employees, all employees should get a copy of the policy. Huh? Many companies don't have a policy in place. They might have an ICC, but that ICC should be known to all employees. So if you see step by step, after the policy is disseminated, now people say dissemination is by email. Do you think that is enough? Is that a dissemination you would call? Or some people say at the time of induction, when you give the appointment letter, that time also you say this is a policy. That is a good idea. That's a good practice. But when you say disseminate, is also talking, whether top management talks that this is something the company believes in, zero tolerance. So that way you are sending the message across and you are initiating a dialogue. Like earlier the point you were saying that complaints are only not coming. So the way you disseminate, and you know, they would say as a formality, we sent an email to everyone, or we put on the notice board, which is visible by anyone, one notice board, like you tie up, you know, 2 pages or 3 pages, it is left for the employees. You have to ensure that every employee gets it, you know, so that is one. And also it also says that periodic orientation programs and seminars, but before that, awareness programs for employees. You can do it in phase manner. So as I told you, this is a year like April to March. So in a phase manner, you will cover at least some set of employees, some number of employees. And that awareness program can be of a half a day, 2 hour, 2.5 hour session for the employees, where you will talk about in general gender sensitization and some provisions under the law. So you know, that is mandatory. That is mandatory. So they will have to give till the March 2015, all organizations, in their annual report, which is the next slide, that they will have to mention that how many programs did they had. If it was nil, they will have to write nil. Did they conduct?